This fry basket, 14 inches by 14 inches. Whenever you're frying battered stuff, fish, shrimp, just whatever, vegetables, you batter them up. You notice how your grease gets dirty real quick because all the flour and stuff just falls off of it while you're doing it. Well, this right here has a fine screen, mesh screen, and you put them in there. These are kind of angled this way, and you kind of like shake them in there. Anyway, it's a temperature. So you know when your grease is hot, and you put your stuff in there, put it on there. Sit it down in there, and that way it doesn't get your grease all nasty and stuff, and your grease will last a lot longer. When it's ready, pull it out, and dump it. That's pretty good deal. Stainless steel, won't rust on you. The screen is also stainless steel. Handle stainless steel. And pretty much all you gotta do is screw the handle to this. It's threaded. This thing here's got threads on it. Screws go in there. Put nuts on the back side. You don't want to, whatever you do, don't do them the other way. Put your nuts here because the nuts could fall off and get into somebody's food, and then you'll be in a bind. But this way right here, they're screwed into this handle because it's threaded. You won't have to worry about them coming out.